Hi, everyone. Happy Tuesday, May 26th. Today, we heard from the Conference Board regarding consumer confidence for May, and as expected, the numbers dropped. It came in at 93.1 overall, and this is a 0.7% drop versus April. And Harley's joining me to bring a little bit of cuteness to this post, but here are 4 takeaways I had from this report. First, 2/3 of households said that they were cutting back on spending. They mentioned buying fewer items and delaying expensive purchases. And respondents specifically mentioned cutting back on purchases like clothing and footwear and discretionary items like hobby items and games and toys. So basically, cutting back on anything that's not absolutely necessary. The second takeaway is that optimism among younger and older respondents fell, but for those that are aged 35 to 54, their optimism actually went up. The third takeaway, which is not a surprise, is that the optimism among higher income respondents actually increased on a 6 month rolling basis. And the fourth takeaway is that the Conference Board mentioned that the write in comments skewed more pessimistic in this report. There were frequent mentions of gas, oil, and just prices on everything going up. So, my 2 cents is this report makes sense in the context of some of the other data points that we've seen recently. And again, while this is soft data, so it's what consumers say they are going to do, it is a matter of time before it starts to show up in the hard data. Let me know your thoughts and please like, share, and follow for more updates.